This video will cover how to do a Ohio criminal records check, arrest records check, and anything related to criminal activity. So if you can type in ohiopublicrecords.org in your browser to get here, or I will also leave a link in the description. You can click on that. On the front page, you will notice there is a pretty extensive list of public databases available to you in the state of Ohio. But we did create a specific page for the most sought after records, anything from background checks to property records, inmate search. So let's click on criminal records. And once you get here, you will notice we give you the top options to do a criminal and arrest record check at the state level. So anything from BCI check to sex offender registry. Another thing to consider is also using county level information. So I just went to the background check page, and what you'll notice here is you have your top counties here. And so criminal and arrest records information could be found also using court records. It could also be used you can also use jail booking information to research this, to research an individual. So you have multiple databases, not just at the state level, but also at the county level that you can utilize. And another thing to consider is the name search above. This is a private database. It uses public and private databases. The difference is it doesn't just look at county or the state of Ohio records. It actually goes outside the state. So it pulls records from multiple databases, multiple states. So let's say somebody has a criminal record in, say, Utah, and they end up moving to Ohio. If you're just looking at county records or state records, you're not necessarily going to see if they have a criminal activity in the state of Utah. Maybe they just moved a few years ago, so it's not going to show up. So to make sure you have all your bases covered, you want to have that nationwide approach to doing your criminal records check. And so you can use the name search box on top to do that. Now, obviously, all the records originate at the county level, so that's where you're going to have your most up-to-date, the most refreshed records. But keep in mind that those are going to be limited to a specific area, specific county, specific state, and people do move around. So you have a few options to work with here when doing your Ohio criminal records check or arrest record check. So once again, come on down to ohiopublicrecords.org and get started on your Ohio criminal records check. Thank you.